Welcome to Nectain, the AI-powered document management system. In this video, you'll get a guided tour of the main interface and learn about the system's key capabilities. This video course is created by experts from the Nectain team, and the voice you're hearing is generated by artificial intelligence. Nectain is designed to help organizations create, manage, and automate document-based workflows. As an administrator, you have access to powerful tools that let you build custom solutions tailored to your organization's structure and processes. Start by logging in with your username and password. The first page you see after logging in, your landing page, depends on your user role. For example, regular users may see a desktop focused on daily operations, while administrators see tools for system configuration. Regardless of your role, the interface structure is the same for everyone. On the left side of the screen is the navigation panel. It includes shortcuts, custom links to frequently used tools, and folders that group platform sections in a logical way. These elements help you quickly access what you need. In the top right corner, you'll find several essential tools. The desktop's menu lets you switch between different workspaces based on your tasks. Each desktop contains tools and data relevant to a specific area. As an administrator, you can create new desktops and assign them to users or roles depending on their responsibilities. Next to desktops are chat messages, system notifications, a quick search bar, and user settings. At the very top is the tab bar. Each opened page appears as a tab, just like in a web browser. You can switch between tabs and close them at any time, allowing for smooth multitasking within the system. Let's take a closer look at desktops. The desktops page displays a table of all available desktops. You can refresh the list, add new desktops, filter and sort entries, export the data, or switch to a card view. This flexibility helps you manage your work environment more efficiently. To start working in Nectain, every user needs a personal account. You can manage user accounts from the administration desktop. Here, you can add new users, create user groups, and assign users to those groups. You can also define user roles. Roles control access levels, ensuring each user only sees and interacts with the parts of the system they need. To reflect your real company structure in the system, go to the Organizational Structure desktop. Here, administrators can create companies, departments, and positions. This structure helps maintain clarity and consistency across the platform, making it easier to assign responsibilities and manage users. When administrators log in, they land on the Studio desktop. This is the control center where you can build and configure every part of your solution. From here, you have access to tools like document types, business processes, forms, attributes, data models, and user dictionaries. One of the core features of Nectain as a DMS is document types. Document types define the various kinds of documents used in your organization, such as contracts, invoices, requests, or reports. Each document type can include standard or custom attributes, like dates, names, amounts, or references. You can also define document states, such as draft, in review, approved, or archived. Access levels can be customized for different roles to control who can view or edit documents at each stage. Document types can also be linked to business processes to support automated workflows, such as approvals, reviews, or routing. Business processes are managed through the Process Library. This section allows you to model and automate document-related workflows. Nectain uses an enhanced version of the open-source Camunda engine and supports 3 international standards: BPMN for modeling business processes, CMMN for case management, and DMN for decision modeling. Tasks in Nectain are defined and handled within BPMN processes. You can define how documents move through different departments, how tasks are assigned, and what conditions control each step. This allows you to automate routine operations and reduce manual errors. This concludes our introduction to Nectain as your document management system. You've now seen the interface layout and key administrative tools. In the next videos, we'll guide you through creating document types, modeling processes, and configuring the platform to meet your organization's needs. Thank you for watching.